Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best folding desks that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Sleekform. Assembling furniture can be complicated, but you won't have to worry about that with Sleekform's no assembly fold-down desk. As the best folding desk overall, this model is durable, lightweight, and easy to put together in any room. Plus, the black metal hairpin-style legs of this folding desk also come with special rubber caps to keep your floors scratch-free while moving it around. The wood table is finished with a 3-coat water and scratch-resistant material, so you don't have to worry about leaving watermarks like other wood-topped desks. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Elephant's Folding Computer Desk. Need a workspace that doesn't take up much room? The Elephant's Folding Desk is a solid option for laptops. With almost 30 inches across the workspace, you can fit a laptop and accessories easily. Made from steel that's painted white and particle board, this desk blends in easily in modern surroundings. It can also double as a table for kids to work on projects. And at 24 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move from room to room in stores easily. At number 3, we have the Tangkula Writing Desk. Whether you're a writer by profession or just enjoy sitting down to journal now and again, you can't go wrong with Tangkula, the best folding desk for writers. This desk has 3 storage drawers, perfect for keeping all your writing tools nearby in case inspiration strikes. The desk folds in a way that allows you to use it as a nightstand or side table when you're done writing for the day. The multifunctional feature is a huge plus if you like your furniture to serve several purposes, which ultimately helps save on space. Plus, it's on wheels, which means you can push it to a new location to get a change of scenery in your own home. Reviews note that this desk takes time to assemble. Some estimate it took them between 1 to 2 hours to put it together. However, you get an incredibly convenient desk once it's built. At number 2, we have the Nathan James Kalos Dropleaf Folding Console Table. If you're looking for a desk that can do double duty, the Nathan James Kalos Dropleaf desk is an attractive choice. This rustic wooden desk provides a workspace of 40 inches and has a dropleaf construction that allows it to be a fold-down desk or a folding desk table. You can also choose from a brown desk with white legs or a walnut desk with black legs. This versatile piece also doubles as a dining table that can seat 6. Plus, it's easy to assemble and perfect for small apartments or dorms. And finally, at number 1, we have the 4nm Small Folding Computer Desk. This modern desk is designed for small spaces. Made of metal and engineered wood, this small folding desk provides a workspace of about 31 inches across, which is plenty of room for a laptop or sewing machine. It's available in 8 colorways to suit your space best. You can also order a version that allows for a hanging folder for storage and comes with hooks for earphones and cords.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.